Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you, yes, you are doing well. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a haul, and it is a haul of makeup palettes. Affordable makeup palettes. Now, as you may know, if you are a makeup junkie like myself, there has been a little bit of a tide turning within the beauty community. So I was just kind of having a look around and seeing what to treat myself with for my birthday, and I will get onto that right at the end of the video. So if you want to see what I bought for my birthday, then you'll be able to see that. But on the heels of that, I've actually been buying some affordable palettes, and I'm just going to jump straight on in. The first palette that we have got here is this one here, and it is the Obsidian eyeshadow palette, and it is Lady Bro with me. This is the outer packaging, and this is what I did my look with in my last video, and here is the inside packaging. We've got this lovely kind of like mandala style decoration on the front, and this is what she looks like on the inside. We have got, if I just pull that down a bit more, there you go, we have got three different sections. We've got Hermes, I think that's supposed to be Hermes, but Persephone and Aries. So we have got this beautiful array of colours here. We have got some duochromes up here. We've got some lovely shimmers and some lovely mattes in there as well. So there's a whole array of different colours there, and they're kind of colour blocked like so, but you can mix and match these if you want to. It actually does come with a mirror, and it's a really nice kind of it's not velvet, but it's, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I mean, obviously you'll be able to see all of my lovely makeup finger marks all on there, but never mind. So that is the first palette I bought. The next of the palettes that I ended up getting was this one by Han Diane, and this is Exotic Customs. And again, this is just the outer sleeve. You take this off, it's exactly the same underneath. This one doesn't have a mirror, so you've got that inside, and we have got this lovely kind of warm toned palette here. We've got some lovely purples, we've got these lovely shimmers, and we've got I think that's a little bit of a duochrome in there, and then we've just got some really nice kind of neutral tones in there as well. So hopefully I shall do some looks with this. I've been wearing this as well as the other one to work. In fact, I've been trying them all out, so just testing them out to see how they go throughout the day. Some of these are quite well pigmented, some of them aren't, but what you're paying for is what you're getting. So you know, if you just bear that in mind. But if you want to kind of have a go, or you know, you want to try some different colours, then this is the way to do it. And I think I got these ones from, I think I got this one from eBay, but as I say, I will link everything below. The next palette I got is from Miss Rose, the company Miss Rose, and this is the Twilight and Dusk palette, and this is the outer sleeve. Now this actually got me quite excited because I love the look on the front, but unfortunately once you get inside, there actually isn't any of there isn't a mirror in there either. There isn't actually any of the blues in there, so I was a bit disappointed with that. But this kind of gives me I think it's Huda Beauty, I think it's their palette. I think this is a kind of a dupe of that, and we've got some lovely duochromes. We have got some lots of lovely mattes and things like that, so you could do some really nice warm toned looks with this. So just thought I'd give the company Miss Rose a go. So that is what we have got here, and I really like it. The next palette, or the penultimate palette, is Fruit Pie Filling, and I bought this on the back of buying another palette, or my last palette that you're going to see. This is by a company called You Can Be. These are available on what's the name? AliExpress, and but I got this one from Amazon, and I think a lot of these, like Miss Rose, Han Diane, I don't know about the other one, I think it's, are they TW Cosmetics? Yeah, TW Cosmetics. I think they're all available on AliExpress, but I just didn't want to wait for them, so I got them on eBay or Amazon. So this is fruit pie filling. It's got a nice big mirror, but this is the actual palette. It's a real nice kind of cacophony of colours here. We have got basically a rainbow of goodness, and I did a look with this last week. I shall link that video below. But this is her. This is what she looks like. This green is insane. I love it so much, but there's some other looks that I want to try out with this palette. To me, it's very similar to the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, but this one's got more shades in, and actually the pigmentation in this is, I can definitely recommend this. It was £12, and I would definitely recommend it. It's a really good value for money palette. And last but not least is Anwin, and this is UKMB. So this is the palette that started off my affordable palette kick, so to speak. It was my birthday, and of course, as I said earlier on, I usually treat myself to a palette or something like that for my birthday, but unfortunately there's been a few kind of the people that I would usually buy from, there's, you know, there's this stuff going on, and I just thought I might as well stick with people that we know over here in, you know, and support our own homegrown people. So I watch Anwin a lot, and she does a lot of AliExpress hauls, jewelry, hair accessories, and makeup. And she has actually collabed with UKMB to create this palette. So this is the outer sleeve, and then this is the actual palette itself. It's called Cellophane by UKMB, and if I just open this up, you can see here we have got a fantastic kind of array of colours there. The best colour, the colour that makes this palette for me is this one here. It's Redondo. Oh my word, that green is just the best green I've ever used, ever. And I've got a lot of palettes, and I've got a lot of high-end palettes, and there is nothing that can rival this colour. This colour is it. It is it. If you're looking for a fantastic teal green shimmer, that's your boy. That's the one. So it's a really good palette as well, and you can actually just create some really nice sort of neutral looks with this, as well as kind of playing it up and being a little bit bright. So that is my palettes that I got. I also got, I haven't actually tried this out yet. This is from a brand called Fira. It's Fira brand, and it is a pigment eyeshadow. I've actually got some more coming, and I think they're from a company called Camaju. I'm just gonna, it comes in a little pot like so. I'm just gonna open it up and have a look. Oh, this might be a bit messy. Take that off. There we go. I don't know what it's going to be like, but I'm going to test that out in a few weeks time. So I just want to wait for the other ones to arrive, but this is what it looks like. I mean, you just get the tiniest little amount, but it just looks like you don't need a lot. So we'll give that a go. This is the shade Emerald, if you are interested, and it's a shimmer pigment eyeshadow. So I thought I would give that a whirl as well, because I do like my greens. I really do. And it says here it's stunning. So that is all of my makeup purchases that I have made so far. I've got a few more bits and pieces coming along, and I'm going to try a few more looks, try and get a bit more experimentative. That's not even a word. I'm going to experiment more with my eye makeup and things like that. We've got Halloween coming up in about 2 months time, 2-3 months time. So I want to kind of have a go at doing some Halloween looks as well. There's just lots of things. I'm going to try and do a look all together, so the whole outfit and look. So hopefully you'll stick around to see that. So thank you so much for watching. You look after yourselves, you look after everybody else. I just want to say, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!